October is National Depression and Mental Health Screening Month, a time to keep your mental health in check and seek help if needed. Exomind is the latest breakthrough device for patients struggling with depression and other mental health issues. So here to tell us more about this new leading-edge technology is Dr. John L. Bender, CEO of Miramont Wellness Centers, and Samantha Davis, a board-certified psychiatric nurse practitioner. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you. Of course. Now, doctor, tell us more about Miramont Wellness Centers. Where are your locations and what do you offer?
Well, thank you, Sam. So Miramont Wellness Centers are primary care medical homes located in Fort Collins and Parker, Colorado. We offer in-house laboratory, x-ray, mammography. We also have acute care services, weight loss programs, hormone balancing with BioT. We do liposuction and skin tightening procedures. We have a full med spa, Botox fillers, etc. We also recently have added Exomind and Emcella chair, a lot going on.
That is fantastic. And Samantha, as we just mentioned, both the doctor and I, Exomind, what is this and what does it provide to patients?
Okay, so Exomind is an FDA approved device used for, it's approved for major depressive disorder, but it also, what they found is that it also is good for mental wellness. And so it is a device that is placed on this area of the brain, which is the area where our emotions, our cognition, and our behavior comes from. And so basically it's with the, after the session, or with the session, we're kind of stimulating that area of the brain and producing more neuroplasticity. So kind of how the way I describe it is like new highways in the brain. So our brain functions more effectively. So it helps our emotions, it helps our sleep, it helps just overall well-being, but it also can also help those behaviors and those like kind of addictions. So binge eating, those sorts of things, it helps with that as well.
Is there a typical treatment plan for Exomind?
Yeah, so we offer a couple different treatment plans. The first one can be for major depressive disorder, which is covered under insurance, and that is 5 sessions, or 30 total sessions, so 5 sessions a week for 6 weeks. But we also have the mental wellness one, which is 6 sessions over 3 weeks. That's roughly about 30 minutes.
And what are maybe some of the results that folks are seeing?
We've seen some great results. So we've seen some great improvement with major depressive, but also with people who are doing it for mental wellness. We're seeing much better sleep, being able to respond better in their daily jobs, those sorts of things. So it's kind of really quite amazing.
Wonderful. Now, doctor, I understand that you are giving back to the community in a big way. Talk to us about what you're offering to first responders and how this impacts them.
Thank you, Sam. So the BTL Cares program is our partnership with BTL. They're the manufacturer of the Exomind machine. This is a program for firefighters. These are first responders who oftentimes we expect them to be there at a moment's notice when things are going bad. They oftentimes are there before the ambulance is, when we call 911. And there can be a lot of stress and trauma with doing this as a living. And so what we're offering for firefighters is an opportunity for complimentary Exomind sessions. So no charge. Basically, folks or fire chiefs can contact Miramont. We place the firefighter, in contact with Sam Davis, our psychiatric nurse practitioner, who will do an assessment, and then we would allow them to experience Exomind at no cost.
That is wonderful. And for someone who wants to try out these Exomind offerings, you have a special event coming up with a special offer. Can you tell us more about that?
Of course. So our Exomind event is next Wednesday. It's October 29th from 12 to 4 p.m. Folks can purchase a VIP session, or the general session from 4 to 7 is no charge, where people can come and learn more. But if they wish to experience the device themselves, they should sign up for one of the Eventbrite VIP sessions.
All right. And again, if someone is interested in maybe the multitude of other types of treatments that you guys offer at Miramont Wellness Centers, what are the steps that they should take, and maybe what are the ways that they can reach out to you?
Well, so if you go to our website, miramont.us, you can get our phone numbers and contact information, but we offer same-day appointments. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 8, Saturdays 9 to 1, in our Fort Collins office, 8 to 5 in our Parker office. But we accept new patients in pretty much all insurances, and we would love to have people stop by.
Wonderful. Thank you both for being here today and for telling us about this wonderful Exomind treatment, and also for everything that you guys are doing for first responders. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Thank you.
And Miramont Wellness Centers is hosting an Exomind launch party, and you can join them. The event is free and open to the public on Wednesday, October 29th from 4 to 7 p.m. at their Fort Collins location. To RSVP, give them a call at 970-225-5005 or visit them online at miramont.us. They paid for this segment. Stay with us.